Hi there, this is the 1.3 version of my app. There are two changes basically, the addition of asymmetrical reducers and a small performance tweak. The tweak is that you can change the stiffeners. You can change it from U-profile to solid rectangular shaped ones by changing the thickness of the cable trays. If you change the value to a negative value, the stiffeners will change to a solid rectangular shaped object. So if I change this one from 5 to -5, as you can see, it changes rapidly. Same here, 3 to -3. Nothing changes except the stiffeners, which are becoming solid objects. Again, 3, -3, let's say -3.5. Now there is a bend. It is obviously working for this one too. This is one of the asymmetrical reducers. This is the right-handed one. There is a T, the good old T. This was there from the beginning. So -2.6. It is even working for that. This is the last one in this model. Now I'm getting used to it. I changed this one too. So that's all. This is the current update. I will try to update my app as regularly as possible. Thank you for watching. See you!